Good morning, y'all. I'm going to show y'all what I organized yesterday real quick. Okay, we don't have a light in this closet, so I do have a flashlight to help shine. These two boxes right here will be to fill up for Christmas. I've got this one to start with, and then when that starts overflowing, I can use that little diaper box and probably just stack it on top. I have a ton of tank tops. So my shift robe, I didn't really have room for them. And I like to put, because I only wear my tank tops under my clothes. I don't really care if they get wrinkled. And they're tight fitting anyway, so they get stretched out and you can't see wrinkles anyway. But this, I think, is for belts. And I want to say I got this at Walmart. I got one for Paris too, because she has a ton of tank tops. But if you like to do like I do and wear tank tops under your shirts, because a lot of shirts are so thin nowadays you can see through them. This is kind of a space saver. So, and this would fit if you had a nice size closet. This will fit, you know, it doesn't take up too much room. And over here is some Christmas that I already have, and some Christmas wrapping paper I didn't use this past year. But I will, I'll go through and show y'all. And Claire's just talking. I'll go through and show y'all another video what my Christmas buys are for this month. I'm still waiting on, I think, another package to come in. This down here is all of our clothes that we take when we go to the pool. We really only go to the pool once or twice a year, because it's usually to my cousin's house for 4th of July. And on the off chance that we actually go and stay in a hotel. I'm sorry if y'all can't hear. If y'all can't hear me ever into Claire. She's just talking. But anyway, that's our pool stuff. Like I said, we don't use it much. So there is, let's see if y'all can, yeah, there is a shelf right there. So I have this basket sitting on top of that shelf. Okay, and then this is just extra hangers. We got here and here. What are you doing, Miss Press? All right, up here is this is a blanket for Christmas. I washed it and I didn't get a chance to put it with my other Christmas decorations, so I just stuck it there for now. I've got some extra pillows right here. Well, technically one extra pillow and then 3 like throw pillows. These are all flat sheets, and then behind, you can't really see, but back there is fitted sheets and then pillowcases. And that's just another extra blanket. That's an extra like quilt. And then these are curtains that I didn't want to get rid of. Some of these are curtains that was in Paris's room. And eventually, I'm probably going to redo, when Anna Claire outgrows her crib, I'm going to probably use the same bedding. So, I've still got the bedding, and the bedding is actually in Anna Claire's closet. Okay, right here, I've got, this is where our, what do you call it? The vent for our cooling and heating system. I guess that's what you call it. Here, I've got a couple of boxes. So, I don't know if I ever need to just, you know, throw something somewhere. I don't really have a spot for it. I can stick it in a box if it's like small. Here's a bunch of water bottles. Yeah, that's what they're called. And I think there's some notebooks in there too for Operation Christmas Child. That was some stuff I had bought. Here is my stuff for crocheting. It's in this big Aldi bag. That's what it's in. There is a extra comforter, and then there's some extra throw blankets in there. And we have to be careful because I don't think I'll be able to show y'all, but let's see. I can make this. Let's see. Like over here is basically a hole, so we have to be careful not to let anything fall. But it's a little difficult to get out, so that's kind of why I have these baskets right here to catch stuff if I need to. All right. I'll show y'all my shift robe. This is a bag that had some stuff left over from Fun Friday, so I might still use some of that stuff for prizes sometime for giveaways. Okay, and this is my shift robe. I was able to reduce my clothes down to this amount. I really didn't have, compared to what I would think other people have, it's not that I had an unseen amount of clothing. It's just I have limited myself to this much space for clothes. And really, this is plenty. I mean, I don't work out of the house, so this is really plenty of clothing. I've got skirts right here. There's some dresses and dressy shirts. I'm really sorry, y'all. I hope y'all can hear me. These are kind of shirts right here that I just wear around the house. And then these are my long sleeve shirts. So, and then I've got shoes. I don't know if y'all be able to see, but let me see. Where's my flashlight? Hopefully I didn't just make y'all drunk. I've got my shoes down there in the bottom. But that is pretty much it. And Anna Claire has talked through this whole video, so I have no clue how much y'all heard of me. Sorry about that. You're silly. Here, I'll let me show y'all her. What are you doing? She's got my shoes. Round and round and round. Alright, well that's it for this video. Thank y'all for watching, and if I feel like it's something I can show y'all, I think the next few things I want to do, let me see if I can do this without having to turn the camera around. My chest of drawers, I want to organize and go through it. And this, let's see if y'all can see. This nightstand was Paris's, and I haven't cleaned it out since we switched bedrooms around. So it's got a ton of her art stuff in it and everything. So I need to go through and clean that out so I can actually have room to put my stuff in there. But those two things, and possibly, let's see. Hopefully I'm not making y'all drunk. I'm not used to walking around holding this up. Let me turn the radio off. It's kind of loud in here. Okay. And then in Anna Claire's room, I need to go through her closet too. I've kind of just taken some things from that closet that I was just in and thrown it down here. But I don't know if y'all can, yeah, like the bottom down here. I need to go through. There's that bed set that was Paris's. I want to reuse for Anna Claire. But we've got all of our coats. This is I guess you call it two-tier closet. We got all of our coats up here, and Anna Claire's got a ton of clothes right here, and I need to go through. Some of them's probably too small, and just reorganize. But I've bought clothes for her up until 2 or 3T. So this is not all one size clothing. I know y'all are looking at it and going, wow. But yeah, I've got some 6 to 9 month clothes in here still I need to get rid of. So I need to go through and organize all of that. But that will get done sometime this week. I don't know if it will all get done. I want to eventually go through the china cabinet too, but I want to wait and do that when I get my craft room upstairs. Alright, come on, Miss Priss, come out. She's sitting in her closet. Well, we'll just leave her be. But, now, that's officially it for this video. I will see y'all next video. Thanks for watching. Love y'all. Bye.